Okay, so let's take a look at the Metal Rework microscope stand. Now this one is kind of in between the really light one that we had. You guys remember this one right here, this really small light one, right? And we have the other big guy right here, the big dual boom. You know how he's big as heck and everything like that. Well, we have one right in the middle, and this one still, you can one-hand it. It's not that big of a deal, but it's going to give you quite a bit more room to work on than you would with the little one. This is a big open area. We've got all kinds of little organizational spots in here, places for your tools. I mean, you can put your screwdrivers here in the back. You know, I'll tell you what, I've got the exact same thing here on the side that I'm using right now, and I really like these. Even if you don't have the full like single boom stand here, it's really nice just to have this bottom area to work on. I really do enjoy it. So with that, this is a single boom, okay, not a dual boom where, you know, you see here you've got 1, 2, right? We've got the single boom right here. And like I said, you're going to save a little bit on weight. You're going to be able to do that whole thing where you unlock it and kind of move it back and forth, right? So if we just stuck our head in here, there are some things about this that are not as like wild as the big dual boom. This one's definitely like super, super heavy duty, right? Where this one can suffer from a few little fates here. Like if you leave this thing undone too much, you can have it turned to the side and kind of get cockeyed and stuff like that. But as long as wherever you feel like you're gonna be, like if we're right here or something, or if we decide that we're gonna come off and look at like a charging port or something down here, just make sure that whenever you get it in there that you lock it in. There actually is a flat part of the bar right here that allows you to really lock it in tight and everything, and you're good to go after that. You're going to be able to turn the head around, do all the stuff you want to do. This is a great middle of the road setup. Okay, I would say, like I said, if you don't want the cheapest one but you don't want to pay for the best one, here we go. So that was the Metal Rework microscope stand. There's not really much to it, but you know, sometimes you just got to see it to believe it.